Hello and welcome to a walkthrough video on the SAP Client app that was just recently updated with now allowing you to actually white label the SAP Client interface or layer, which means that you can display your logo and get rid of all mentions of OneNote on the platform. As you probably know, when you receive SIM cards from OneNote, then you get access to connectivity management platform called OneNote Terminal. This is here. And we do have a bunch of value-adding add-on features. And one of them is the SAP Client app, which allows you to give access to SIM management to your end customers who might be receiving devices together with the SIM card from you. And in this video, I'm going to go through step-by-step guide how to actually use this new white labeling functionality, show what it means, and also what it takes to invite the first person to the platform and what is the interface that they are seeing once they log in. But to get started, let's activate the app. And what it means is that it now becomes visible in the menu, that I can go to the SAP Clients app. And from here, I'm nicely welcomed and guided to the preferences page, where I can actually get started with the white labeling. So as you can see here, if I enable this option, then I am able to upload my own logo and also give name to my company. For example, I'm manufacturing GPS trackers, and I also have a support email here. Which is used across the platform when your end customers log into the platform. And then the other part is I'm able to select and choose what functionalities are enabled or allowed for the SAP client companies. So I can make them same all across all SAP clients, or I can edit them individually when I invite new SAP clients to the platform. But I want them to be the same for everybody, and I want them to be able to change SIM statuses. I want them to be able to send SMS. I want to hide the original SIM names that we have been using internally, and I'm fine with them using other apps which are available on the platform. And now that we're fine with all the preferences and settings, let's actually invite first company. And I create a new SAP client. This is a quick 3-step process. First of all, some company details. So let's say logistics go company, email address. I'll use some alias to get the invitation to myself. And then in the second step, I have to attach SIM cards to their account. So those SIM cards will be made visible once they log into the platform. And I have nicely grouped already some SIMs for this company. I can easily select a group and continue to the next step. I can do it individually, SIM by SIM. I can also leverage the tags or the data packages or even a file upload. And then the third step is about the rights and the functionalities that they are able to do on the platform. Since we have made it same across the board, then there's nothing that I can edit here. And now when I'm ready to actually confirm and create a SAP client, it means that this email, the first user of the SAP company is going to receive a welcoming email which allows them to generate the password and get access to the platform. So I'm gonna do it right now, pause the video to go through my emails, and we'll resume back when I'm creating a password. Welcome back. So now that you can see that I'm using the Safari browser as the Go Logistics company, I was invited to the connectivityplatform.com domain, so there's no mentions of OneOT, and I just have to create the password and then fill out some details, and once I click continue, I am going to see the terminal, but with the logo that you have selected or added in the previous step. I can see the dashboard, and I can now also see the SIM cards that were attached to my account. And as a Go Logistics company operator, I can easily manage those SIMs myself without having to talk to you or call somebody from your team. So that's the SAP Client app. That's all there is. It's about giving access to SIM management to your end customers so that you don't have to do it yourself, limiting the time for communication and actually focus on selling more devices. Thank you. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to one of the support team.